In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add GitHub link on LinkedIn profile. So you can see this is my GitHub profile. So I need to click on this icon again. Just click on profile. So I need to copy my link. So first you can see this is my username. So I just copy this one. Then now going on LinkedIn. So after logging on LinkedIn, you need to going on your profile first. You can see this is a me. Just click here, then again click on profile. Now you need to click on this pencil icon, then just scroll down. Now click on edit contact info. That's it. Now so here is the website. Here is a few website you are also able to add. So I have already add one website, so I delete one. Otherwise add website, then paste here, then select website type. So this is my portfolio. Then this is my portfolio website. Now click on save. It's already saved successfully. So this is the method how you can save or add GitHub link on LinkedIn. So if you found this video helpful for me, like subscribe the channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.